Alrighty, we're at the Macy store in Alpharetta, Georgia. They have a very, very nice. I think this is a Schindler RT. Actually, no, this is a Westinghouse RT. That's Westinghouse. That is Westinghouse. It's a Westy RT. Number two, that indicator's always been bad. One. Look at that. Here's your COP, Westinghouse Schindler RT buttons. No capacity plate anywhere. With an 88 phone. Very nice cab. This is very nice for a Macy's. It's pretty quick too. For a one. Come on. It's on two or UL. I don't know why. One and then UL. It should be one or the other, like L or U or one or two. Yeah, this is definitely a Westy RT. Anyway, here we go. Number two. Fancy call button. Must be custom. There it goes, and it definitely was the RT.